In this video, we're going to place some structural columns in the drawing. So we have created levels and grids, and to place a column, you would simply select the structure ribbon, column tool, and choose one of the sections here. Maybe we can choose this one, and then just click. Normally columns are at the grid intersection, so by clicking at the grid intersection, you place the column there and then press escape. And you can view this column. Here at the bottom of the screen, you can change the detail level to fine, and here click on the thin lines, and you can see the actual shape of your column in the plan. You can view the column also in the elevation. Any elevation will do. East. So here is the column. It's between ground and first floor at the grid intersection A1. So this was simply one column placed in the drawing, but let's select this column and delete it, and then go back to the ground floor view and choose now column, and here choose height to the roof, and choose add grids. Select by encircling all the grids and click finish. And then in the elevation view, all the columns have been placed. Here they are in 3D view between ground floor and the roof. Next would be if we wanted to change the column type, we can use family files for columns. So right click on one column and select all instances in entire project, and then here click edit type and click load. In the structural columns option, steel, we're choosing Chorus Advance, and we're choosing UKC columns, and choose 305, 305, 137 for example. Click OK and OK again, and this would load this column type into the project file and also assign that shape to all your columns. So the ground floor, so now the columns are universal column type. Next we're going to create some concrete columns below the ground floor, so starting from foundation. So if you go to the foundation level and select column tool, here we can change the column type, but we need 600 by 600 columns, which are not here, but any type will do. And then edit and duplicate. So we'll change the tag 600 to 600, the label, and also the dimensions 600 and 600. And this has created a rectangular, or rather square column, 600 by 600. Now we want the height of the column to be up to the ground floor, and we're using at grids option. Finish. So now escape, and in the 3D view we can see that the columns are concrete from foundation to ground floor. Just tidying it up. So concrete columns from the foundation to the ground floor level, and steel columns above. For the concrete column, select all instances in entire project. So we selected all the select all instances in entire project, selected all concrete columns. We can see here, and we can modify here the bottom and top level, and clicking on this material option we can choose the concrete type. At the moment is concrete cast in place, but when exporting it to the structural software, it's important to have the actual concrete grade. So we can choose C35, for example, and click OK. And this will make all our columns have concrete grade 35.